Hi guys, today we have 1127. It is Canon with a scanner and also it's color machine. We have an issue. People they call us sometimes it does the run up and everything, just like when you press on a memory media says restricted. What do you need to do? Menu, you go to the function setting, store access file, memory media, put your admin password. As you can see it, the screen, same as the login and use function. If it comes, it's off. Put it on, lie, okay, do this. Well, you need to restart the machine, and after that, that's all. Thank you. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment below.